So this is a structure that's designed primarily to allow a large group of students to get involved at the same time. So often in built structures there's a sort of specialist doing something while 30 students hang around the edges. This structure depends on 30 people getting involved simultaneously, and that's how we've conceived of it, so that a large cohort of students of mixed abilities, mixed years, mixed ages can all get involved and all build something together.
So this is the first making workshop we're doing after the pandemic. So it's not 100% business as usual, but we try to create a one-to-one structure experience for our students. So this was an optional experience that the students were offered, but behind the scenes we have worked very closely with Open Hand, Open Space to collaborate on how the structure is going to look like, what is the use going to be, and envision a little bit the future of how this courtyard of Open Hand, Open Space can be transformed by structure built like that.
Students very rarely make something that is full scale. Usually they make a model or do a drawing, and there's a sort of approximation of a building or a space. And what's great about real projects, live projects, full-scale projects, is that they can really see, really kind of inhabit a real full-size structure and judge it, and also, I think, critically understand what it means to make something. How do you think about how to construct something? How do you set something out? How do you plan for all the things that can happen when you actually build something for real?
In a way, this is almost a transformative experience for students. We're really looking forward to them to learn how to collaborate, how to become part of the design team, and view and the making of a structure from the beginning to the end. Particularly learning about how to have conversation between different teams and acquire new skills. So many of the students today have learned how to lash together timber, how to make see how to make a one-to-one structure, and just be part of a very exciting project.
The point behind it for us is just to get some experience with actual hands-on structure work, because obviously as architects we're very much in studio most of the time designing. We never actually get to build anything and see what's being built. So to be able to collaborate and actually make something real and to handle the materials that we usually design with and talk about has been amazing.
Often as designers we make things very difficult, but I think it's the practical aspect of everything. Understand that whatever you design has to be built, and understanding the materiality of it, physically touching and engaging with something. I think it's an experience which I feel is very important moving forward for all designers, to actually gain a sense of what it means to be on the ground and actually constructing what's going to be displayed.